They are a terrific pair of potpourri.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Clark County in southern Nevada until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Henderson, Anthem, Green Valley, Paradise, Enterprise, Silverado Ranch, Seven Hills, and Henderson Executive Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Florida about 17 years ago, and I got it at an estate sale, but I don't know what I paid for it. I forgot.
Can you guess?
Somewhere probably around $5.
Well, it's really charming.